Want to see seconds on your iPhone clock? Here are 2 easy ways to do it. First method is using the clock app icon. Go to your app library, find the clock app. Press and hold the clock app icon. Drag it onto your home screen. Place it anywhere you want. Look closely at the icon. The orange second hand moves in real time. You can watch the seconds pass directly on the icon. Second method is adding a clock widget. Press and hold an empty area on your home screen. Tap Edit in the top corner. Tap Add Widget. Scroll down and tap Clock. Swipe through the widget options. Choose the analog clock style. This one shows the moving second hand. Tap Add Widget. Place it on your home screen. Tap Done. Now you can see seconds moving on the clock anytime. And that's it. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.